Hey guys, JT from SavvyTexAndPoolOwner.com. I want to show you a quick issue I had with my filter clamp that you may be running into. This nut was all stripped out when I was trying to put the spring back on to tighten the clamp back onto the filter. So I couldn't get it to lock into place on here, and I noticed, like I said, this was all stripped out. So I'm going to show you what my solution was, and it was basically I had to order a new clamp. Which it was time anyways, so I'll show you what I got. And if you're having the same issue, I'll link to the one that I got. It's for Hayward SwimClear filters, and I am pretty amazed with what they sent me. Here's the new filter clamp. I'm really excited with what they sent me. So I got the clamp, get a new O-ring, a couple owner's manuals, just everything you need. So I'm gonna go get this onto my filter and hopefully we're up and running. But yeah, if you're having the same problem with that nut being stripped out and not being able to get your spring back on, I think you're probably just gonna have to get a new clamp. It's not super expensive, and honestly, if you're having that sort of issue, you probably do anyways. So I'm gonna go throw this on mine. Okay, so I got the new clamp on. I just want to show you guys. Used to, when I would tighten mine up, it would make the most, just this blood-curdling sound as I tighten it up. And look at this bad boy. It's like a, look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. Get a new clamp. That's how you do it. Man, I'm excited. Okay, we're back to filtering. All right, later, dudes.